Your Toyota Highlander's interior will shine front to back with our lavishly designed floor mats and cargo liners, custom fit for your Highlander's 3-row seating. They're made of luxe faux leather and tailored for your vehicle specifications for a perfect fit, providing the ultimate protection for your entire floor space. These classy liners with diamond-shaped stitch design are lightweight, waterproof, and easy to clean. They are engineered with thick foam padding, providing added comfort to you and your passengers. Plus, our signature anti-skid texture backing will keep them securely in place. Add to your purchase custom diamond stitch seat covers, together with your custom mats and cargo liners, all available in your choice of vibrant shades for a dynamic combination.